Lie on your back with your legs in front of you. Slowly raise your head and neck. Place your hands behind your head. From this position, bring your right elbow to the left knee to perform the motion. In the meanwhile, squeeze your abs. Repeat on the other side.
One, two, three, come on!
This basic exercise works the oblique muscle in the abdominal region. It engages the whole body and helps build a strong core. When used as part of a regular routine, it shapes your abs and shrinks your waist. This crunch variation is a great choice for those who want strong abdominal muscle with visible definition.
One, two, three, come on!